All right, Will, this next one is my favorite story of the day, and I know you can't believe it. Oh, actually, you have a wild card today.
Do I?
You do. So your wild card will probably be my favorite, but other than that, this is my favorite.
I don't have one though.
Yeah, you do.
Which one?
You were talking about it earlier.
I don't remember.
Don't you dare. Don't play this game.
I don't remember.
Don't play this game with the people. Don't you dare pull on their heartstrings. You know what we were talking about. Yeah, exactly.
You got to remind me.
No, I don't.
Okay. Well, let's just
I'll spoil the wild card. Mo, do you want to tell him what it was?
Just whisper.
Go whisper it in his ear. Mo. Okay, he's yelling it from across there. He's spoiling the thing. Know. It was something related to ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
Don't give me this. Oh, yeah. Okay, so anyway, you can hang on, man. Hang on. We're gonna do it after. We're gonna do it after.
No, I have to explain myself.
Yeah, you will.
It was more.
No, you will. You will.
Well, at that point, you've left already, so I can't explain anything.
No,
to any,
you will. You will. But I gotta get through this one first because this one's really cool as well. This one is really cool. So I know you really want to get into your own wild card, but can we just get because this one is good. People are gonna like this.
All right, go through with this one.
Okay, so this is a pizza vending machine. You know I love this kind of thing, like automation, and it's like my favorite things. It's like tech and pizza. Cool.
Yes.
This is a company by the name of Paistro. Paestro. You can say it however. You've heard of this?
No, I heard the audio
okay.
when you were watching the video.
Yes. So this is a vending machine you walk up to. It makes a pizza. It's a whole show. It's really fun. And they just made a partnership with a facial recognition company so that you're going to be able to order it in advance and then authenticate with your face and then pick up your pizza. So you don't even have to be there. It could just be sitting there ready to go, I guess. Anyway, that's what this press release is about. But I got so involved in the vending machine on its own that I didn't even care about the facial recognition part anymore. So click on the next tab over and let's just focus on the Paistro. Look at this thing. You can become an investor in this company right now. First of all, how futuristic is that? You just give them $1,000. They got a $12 million valuation. But
wow.
But
I like the buy button here. It's very
what do you think about this web? Yeah, what do you think about this web design right here? Isn't there something about this? The color and tones and stuff? I don't know. It's very welcoming. Mm-hmm. Anyway, go ahead and play the video.
Where's the video?
It's a yellow button there. It says play video.
Oh, yeah. Here.
Yeah, they have all kinds of investor-related stuff like the pizza market and everything else. Yeah, you can put some volume.
It's no secret that the food industry is being going through tremendous changes. We still want restaurant quality food, but in a much faster, convenient, and safer way. The definition of the kitchen and the restaurant. Now,
you can pause for a minute. So obviously, in this case, like the crust was kind of pre-made, and it's not a pizzeria. But go ahead, keep going.
Definition of the kitchen and the restaurant of the future is changing, and we believe that Paistro is perfectly positioned to help redefine the kitchen of the future.
The cheese?
The goal of our engineering was to create artisanal pizzeria quality with
I don't know if it doesn't have to actually even be
family experience to see this high-tech thing that's almost whimsical and fun, spinning your pizza around and moving it up and down.
So pause that for a second. Actually, I think that's the best part. To watch it happening. Is it goes through the robot and gets the toppings. So I don't even think you want to order in advance. I think you want to watch it. It's so fast anyway.
You can kind of see all the ingredients all there and having it assembled.
I do have some questions about like refilling the machines and all that.
Yeah, it's going to be a deep clean.
But you can imagine this thing in all kinds of different public environments, social distance, low contact, hot pizza, automated robot thing, Paistro? No? Go ahead, Will. Because don't make me get started dancing bacons.
Yeah, that's immediately that goes there.
Because in Japan, they've been doing it.
Yeah.
All right, they've had hot pizza coming out of vending machines in Japan, but you couldn't watch the whole process. You just saw like a little flame in the back.
Right, and it's probably a frozen pizza and they're just heating it up.
Actually, I'm not sure how they were doing in the Japan machine because you couldn't see inside.
Can't tell, yeah.
But the pizza, when it was cooked, looked half decent. But this one, it looks even better. Wait, go to the end of the video and watch this pizza. Watch this pizza. Look at this pizza. No, there's a better shot. There's a better shot. Go a little bit earlier. I mean, she loves the pizza. Go a little bit earlier. Earlier. There you go.
Like my grandfather said, come and get your slice of the
No?
pie.
Come on, Will.
Yeah.
Was that a pizza or what?
Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
All
Looks
right.
great.
So hear me out on this. The real estate is cheap right now. Retail. Everyone's bailing. Pizza is up right now. All
It's
right.
always up.
Pizza, no, but
It's
pizza is
delicious.
especially up right now. Look at the pizza market 2023, 54 billion. Okay, so here's what we do. We get some cheap real estate.
Get a couple of these.
Get a bunch of those. And you get to come through when everything opens back up and you get to watch and make your own pizza. You just have like 4 of these in the space.
Oh.
Or it could just be on the DoorDash, like a ghost kitchen style. You can
Right.
order a pizza from it as well. And everything's automated. There's not too many things that can go wrong. You have like one employee just refilling ingredients. Look, each pizza takes 3 minutes to cook from start to finish. Fun and entertaining. Now, I don't know. I got to taste it, what it's capable of. But I'm saying I could get a small retail spot for these guys.
Would you rebrand it?
24 hours a day.
Can you rebrand it?
What do you mean rebrand it?
Can you call it like Lou's Pizza?
Oh, yeah. You call it whatever you want. I mean, the machine is the Pistro. I don't know,
okay.
actually. Can you call it whatever you want? Order ahead, restaurant quality. And how much do they want for one of these anyway?
Yeah.
I'm thinking, actually, though, if it's a pizza in 3 minutes, you could kick off with just one of them.
Yeah.
So they're saying you should put them in food courts, shopping malls, and university campuses and office complexes. Which I guess is fine, but I don't know. Who's going back to the shopping mall when? I mean, they got one on the beach right there. What if I want to do an entire store just with those that you can come in and do your own experience?
Yeah. Like a late night, you go in. You don't have to talk to anyone. Go in with your pajamas. And there's like a drink vending machine right beside.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, it's like we can bring Japan, man.
There you go.
How much do you think they want for one of those?
10 grand.
More. 10 grand, how dare you? Way more. Anyway, we'll have to figure that part out.
Are you serious about this?
That's right.
Kind of cool. I can't tell.
All of a sudden, there's just gonna be one right over there. I'd be like, yeah, the whole real estate thing. Like, I didn't find a right spot to lease. It's just right over there.
Mo's ordering a pizza.
Yeah, it's just for us.
Like, hey,
I mean, that could be cool too. Actually, just pizza for lunch.
All the dogs are just looking at
Some
it.
tells me you're gonna be surprised how expensive it is, but either way, I thought it was really cool.